In the situation that you are describing with students, multiple people talking, what you'll want to do when students come in to the session is tell them to scroll down to the bottom of their screen and turn their camera off and to turn their microphone off. Right now this one's off. So this is the camera and this is the microphone. You can tell each student to turn off their camera, turn off their microphone, and that they are only to turn them on when they need to be speaking. Conversely, if you click here, show participants, you, as the creator of the team meeting, you can mute everyone. It silences everyone, even people who join later. I'm going to hit cancel. But by default, you want everyone who comes into a meeting to turn off their camera and turn off their microphone, and to only have that on when they need to speak and when you need to see them. Otherwise, they need to be turned off. And that's really a matter of kind of managing the online environment with Teams.